it's Lulu the bunny. Oh, Jess, she found a big shiny box.
Oh, it's sparkling. What's inside, Lulu? Let's all say it together. Open the box, Lulu.
Wow, a bright red fire truck. Can you say red?
Red?
The fire truck goes wee-woo, wee-woo. Lulu loves driving her new red truck. Vroom, vroom.
Let's see the next surprise. Ta-da!
A cuddly blue teddy bear. And look, colorful balloons too. Can you say blue, blue, blue? The teddy is floating up, up, up with Lulu.
Whee! Here comes another toy. Stop, stop. It's a happy green dinosaur. Can you say green, green?
Lulu is stomping along.
Dino, stop, stop, stop. So funny.
Ooh, the box is glowing again. A shiny yellow ball.
Let's say it together.
Yellow.
Pop, pop, pop.
The ball makes colorful stars. Lulu claps and laughs.
Yay!
Wow, look at this. All the toys are here.
The fire truck, the teddy, the dinosaur, and the magic ball.
They're making a rainbow.
Let's cheer.
Colors are